Hello everybody. This is small console application written in Python to calculate baby sleep and awake time. All records are stored in SQLite 3 local database, that will be created on first application run. Okay, let's start application. This is compiled version, source code is available on website. Link will be in description under the video. We can see that application starting first time, checking if database exists or not, after if database not found, create it. After shows started, waiting for user command input. First we will run help command, to view all available functions. In help menu we can see all available commands. They are add s, that means add sleep, command will save time when baby goes to sleep. Add w means add wake up, command will save time when baby wakes up. Show s command shows calculated sleep time in table. Show a command shows baby awake time. Also we can erase all database by using command del or delete latest sleep record by using command del s or del a for deleting wake up last record. And in the end use command exit to close application. Now when we see help, we can try to use it. First I use command add s and set time 2200 hours, program reply with message sleep time saved. Next we need to enter add w command to set wake up time. Let's do it. Entering command add w and set time 8:11, program reply that wake up time saved. Now I can see how much time my baby slept. Enter command show s and in table I can see date and duration of sleep. Next to view awake time I need to set one more sleep time. Enter add s command and set time 22:14. Now we can view awake time. Enter command show a and in table we can see that awake time was 14 hours and 3 minutes. Let's try to delete last sleep record and change sleep time. Enter command del s, get reply last sleep record deleted. We can check that by using command show a to view awake time, last awake time missed. Now I can set correct sleep time. Enter command add s and set time to 23:23. Checking. Okay, all workins good. Let's delete all database records, enter command del and we get reply database erased. Now we can start using this application with correct times of sleep and wake up. Thank you for your attention.